Wildfires in Florida. Dangerous wildfires are burning in Florida. The wildfires started May 4th. The wildfires are destroying homes, stores, cars, and trees. People left their homes to go to safe places. The weather in Florida is windy and dry. The weather is making the wildfires grow. Firefighters are working to stop the wildfires. Firefighters hope to stop the wildfires soon. Then people can return to their homes. What kind of weather helps wildfires grow? Snowy, rainy, windy.
Windy.
Who are working to stop the wildfires? Teachers, firefighters, nurses.
Firefighters.
Where are the wildfires? Florida, Illinois, California.
Florida.